Alright, welcome to my studio. Welcome to, not there. And she's like, what? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, no way. I'm like, yeah. Alright, welcome to my studio. I hope this works. This is as far back as I can go. It's how far forward I can go. Today, we're going to separate my cons. Day 1, day 2, day 3. No, they're not marked. I just know what I did on what day. And a lot on the last day. I already kind of went through it and got some of the magnets out. So let's do that. Let's get some water. Alright. Look at that handy dandy magnet. Oh yeah. I already hear it. Well, let's put it in a pan. It'll make it easier, huh? It's magnetic, but it's big. You know how bad I just want to peek at the bottom of this pan right now? But I'm not gonna. I'm just in it for the magnets right now. Well, that's good for day 1. A couple more, but that was working hard for him. That's good enough. Where's my squirt bottle? Squirter! Where are you? Where are you, Squirter? Don't know. Don't know. I better find my squirter soon because this is going to be a pain in the butt. Alright, I'll pour this dirty water out. Well, there's a little sand back down there. I can't resist. I gotta see if there's a gold in it. Yeah, there's gold in it. For 3 pieces, 4 pieces. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all going back in there though. Alright, roll. It's definitely golden day 1. Let's put a top to that. Let's go to day 2. I bet you there's gold right there now. Alright, magnet. Oh yeah, there's magnets there, so, oh. Do you hear all of them? Wow! That's too much. Four times? 3 times? I don't know. What number of times is that? So, that outing was so much fun. I got there early, but Carl Madley was there. And yeah, he came over, raked my damn yard. And then Andy showed up with Ben, and he went over to rake their yard too. And it was just a dang good weekend. The weather held up pretty much really good. We did have a nice storm that came through the first night when the rain was coming in horizontal. That was it was sketchy, you know. We were underneath a little fly, you know. Yeah, and then yeah, the weather was just nice. Michelle made a crazy bucket for the flower gold lizard for Jason. I'll show you it here. Of course, it's on top of a pack of PBR, so you can see how. Like the writing's not out there. She had to come up with that stuff freehand. She's amazing. If you want any buckets made, I'll try to get her contact information, put it on the bottom there. She custom buckets. It's like, I don't know. It's amazing stuff. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's pour off the water. Alright, I'm gonna find my. It was right there. No, it wasn't. It was all the way outside. Don't let me fool you. Should we peek at the bottom of this one too once we get there? Alright, just leave that little stuff on the bottom. Let's see if that's got any gold in it. Yeah, fine gold though. That's but there's 30 pieces in there. Oh, I just swept it all away. Dang it. Well, who cares? We'll see all of it later. Alright, day 2. And day 3. I did go out on Sunday morning too with Michelle. Well, I made it seem like we're gonna run 2 sluices and I'm just gonna jack out buckets and she's just gonna run the dirt. And then I told her just put her in your cons bucket. And she's like, what? I'm like, yeah. And she's like, no way. I'm like, yeah. But I think we did probably half buckets because she was running 2 sluices and I could barely keep up. But yeah, she's gonna do her clean out today too, and she's gonna send me some pictures. Maybe I can put it right here if I have it. If not, that's fine. What do you guys do for fun? Like you see me, I'm a lawn. I don't know, I do a lot of things. Sometimes I forget to film stuff. That's kind of upsetting. Like, that would have been a great video. But, missed opportunity, and it's not like you can stage it like some of those people. I can't handle that. By the color of this water, you can see I was somewhere really good. Maybe I already went through this one because it doesn't seem like it has a lot of magnet type. Got all in your iron or whatever. Anything magnetic. I don't even know if you can see my head or not because I can't stand like this and I can't back up to here because I hit my head. So it is what it is. I can't wait to classify this stuff now. Should we do it one day at a time or should we just add them all together? Maybe I'll clean them out one day at a time and then... Alright, done with the magnet for now. Let's classify it, huh? Do we have enough stuff to classify it into? Sure. Sure. What should we classify it into? I'm gonna get rid of my magnetites real quick. Hey, I found another container too. Nice. I'll probably use that. We're gonna take this all the way down to 60. 60 small. Like really small. So that's a stack 40 that way. Oops, sorry. Look how big that stuff is. There's probably gold in my fingers. Rinse them off. Yeah. Somebody just farted and it smells really bad. Whew. Yeah, not good. I think we'll just do it one level at a time because it seems not to be working. Does anybody do anything with their garnets? I was wondering what you guys do. Oh look, a bunch of whites in the middle. I guess that's a secret move. I'm gonna keep these just in case there's a garnet. Alright. Switcheroni. Switcheroo. Yeah, that dropped by half already. Nice, that'll be easy. Let's this time we'll do it 2. Oh, gold everywhere. Alright. That needs more water. I'm gonna do one at a time. It just works better. Ooh. Ooh. Well, just sea garnets. Look at that. Look at that. Look. Look at that one. It's just stuck to my finger. Alright. We'll put the plus 20? Yeah, plus 20. We'll put red. Come on, man, be prepared. Definitely would have been easier doing them all at once instead of doing this whole process a bunch of times. How long you gotta do this, do you think? Circles, 2 lines, 2 circles. Still stuff coming out. Well, I think that's fine. Yeah, nice garnets. We should put this stuff now. I'm running out of room already. 40 and 50. It's getting crazy small, guys. Crazy small. Gold, wow. Gold's addicting. If you don't plan to do it for the rest of your life, don't go out and find your first piece. Your life is over after that. Over. Can't do 2 things at a time. Alright, baby stuff. Yeah, only have this much material for the 50. Do I even go to 60? That was 40. That wasn't even 50. I don't think I'm gonna go 60. I'm gonna go down 50. I guess I need to get a light on this side of me because I can't see anything when the pan's up. Nothing. Can't see anything. That's clean. After further review, I am going to go down to 60 because I didn't know that was there much. I didn't know that there was that much material in the 40s or minus 50, plus 50s. No, minus 50s. Because this is 50 right now. Yeah. 40, 50, 60. Let's do 60. That's crazy. I don't know why I'm going down to 60. That's tiny. Let's see if there's gold in it. Need more water. Yep, there's gold in it. Alright, this is minus 50. I don't know, it's something. Minus 40. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't see anything, the glare. Alright, where did I put this stuff? I'm out of containers. Then I have that one. It's a crazy world out there, and there's magnetics in your cons. Alright. Now what? Well, James, we finished the video by saying, thanks for watching and don't get addicted.